Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and starting on the 1 hour chart. This is of course the intraday video. We're gonna dive deeper a little bit what happened. Well, of course it's very boring actually since many days Bitcoin is just consolidating. But of course we are very close to to move in a direction which is coming soon in the analysis. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finishing a wave 1, and we are currently in a wave 2 as WX, and a Y wave Y is a triangle. So I'm gonna put this label for the triangle just to be a little bit much more clearer here. What do we mean? Okay, your wave 2 here, fib level has been reached, so I'm gonna clean up, guys, just for your, for the safety of your eyes, to make it much more nicer for you. Here we go. So, we have, of course, here a wave 1 finished, and this triangle still looking for to be a zigzag for a wave E. This is what I'm looking for. I think that, of course, this has turned, of course, to still be corrective here, I think. And then, because of the weekend range, it was very expected since Friday, as I said, that if we are in wave 1 here, and then looking for wave 2, now, if we don't take the low, it is very possible as well to be a wave E or a wave 1, 2. But I would prefer to go in 1, 2 because this looks impulsive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, wave 2. This is the first scenario of bullish. By all means, in both case scenario anyway, guys, we're gonna move to higher prices and very soon. I think, maybe in few hours, we need to finish this leg. In both case scenario, and that because, of course, after this big consolidation, we already have our first signal toward the upside. It's an impulse. Correction means continuation toward the upside. Very simple concept here. There is nothing weird about it. It is, of course, that when this is a question, when it's gonna move up. Basically, we still need this leg. Once this leg, this is our trigger, and then moving toward the upside. Now, how much deep this leg will move? Will it take, of course, the invalidation of this 1, 2? If it does, then of course I would have to consider we are starting fresh. E1, 2 again, and then 3, 4, 5 continuation toward the upside. If not, if it doesn't take this invalidation at 102k 900, I would say, of course, this is 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 continuation toward the upside. So I'm gonna put some level here, just because we're getting close to the scenario to unfold. Let's say wave 2 impulse. Our perfect fib level, here we go, for the wave 2 are the green box as usual, guys. So once we reach those green box, be careful from, be careful for this explosion to the upside that it might happen. Possibly, of course, everything is possibilities here, guys. Here we go. So this is our scenario 1, 2, or a wave E, which it should be deeper. Okay, let me move this also aside, make it much more comfortable. The price, here we go. So this is what I'm looking for, guys. This area, between 104,100 and 103,300. Once we reach this area, I would say in both case scenario, it is a wave 2 or a wave E explosion toward the upside. Higher possibility, it is a 1, 2 because you have an impulse here and not a zigzag. If this is a wave D, it should be looking like a zigzag, but for me this looks like more like an impulse toward the upside. Your zigzag should be looking like this, a lot of difference. So in that case, if that happened, I would say D and a wave E has finished here then, and then of course I'm gonna keep it like this, by the way, because once we take this invalidation, I'm gonna move the wave E here, higher possibility right now that this is a wave 2 again, so I'm gonna stay with this scenario. So these are the insight for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the BTC here on KGT. Of course, as you can see, the sell signal on the 5-minute is still there. I'm looking for a buy signal here to move to this side. And I think once we get the low with the CBD, this buy signal will appear, as you can see, because now the signal is still higher than the buy. Once we get this lower, the buy signal is gonna move to here, and it's gonna, of course, explode towards the upside. That was it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.